Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Had some technical difficulties going on Facebook Live. But you know what? Today is the first day that we're talking about start to sustain. This new year really not having bumps in the road, but having a flow to our business and knowing that life does bring us obstacles. But we are focused on the next 21 days on how to navigate that and go through and have our goals anyway, so that at the end of 2018, we are seeing some progress. We're like, wow, I'm looking and seeing how wonderful this new year is, because I'm in my flow. So I'm here with my coffee cup, and today we're starting off with the 1 minute tip, and that's on the mind. The mind is the battlefield. The mind is where it all starts. We've got to have our mind made up. We've got to know what exactly is I want to be, how I want to show up in the world. What is it I want to focus on? Not too much, because there's so many voices coming in our head. Everybody's got an opinion. Everybody has some information. So you need to get still with your mindset to say, am I ready to be able to go through these 21 days and dedicate it to me? So I want you to take a minute, bring out a journal, a piece of paper, a pen, and write. What are the thoughts in my head when I think about committing to me? How do I think about commitment? That's it. Bring those thoughts with you tomorrow morning, and make sure you post them today, all through the day. Post it on the website. What am I thinking about? My consistency to myself. When my mind begins to think about doing something, what are the things I hear? What is the language? So that we know what's happening in our heads and begin to see how we can change it. All right?